हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू।
Agricultural marketing system is an efficient method of distributing farmers' surplus produce at a fair and reasonable price. Full stop. The term market refers to a place where there is exchange of goods between the producer and the consumer, but agricultural marketing involves operations such as procurement, grading, collecting, preserving, transportation and financing. Full stop. An efficient and stable marketing system is essential for the development of agriculture sector. Full stop. It provides the farmer an opportunity to increase production, commercialize operations and incentivize farmers to produce diverse varieties of crops. Full stop. Though reforming the agricultural marketing system is usually separated from agricultural farm and farmers, but it is directly related to improvements in the living standard of farmers, which aims to make India free from hunger and turn poverty into prosperity. Full stop. Para. Agriculture marketing plays a significant role in improving production, productivity and consumption. Full stop. It also helps in accelerating the pace of economic development. It has direct bearing on the life of the farmers, as India is primarily an agricultural country and more than 60% of the population depends upon agriculture. Full stop. Indian farmers also produce a significant quantity of cash crops that require transportation, storage and distribution to urban markets. Full stop. Marketing infrastructure is necessary to transport such cash crops. Full stop. Para. Agriculture sector supplies raw materials to industries and therefore marketing of crops such as cotton, sugarcane, oil seeds, etc. are important. Full stop. It is also required for shifting from subsistence agriculture to commercial agriculture in India. Full stop. Also, any increase in the efficiency of marketing results in lower costs of distribution to the consumers. That also raises the national income. Full stop. Para. Marketing also aids in bringing new varieties, qualities and beneficial goods to the consumers. Full stop. It can also boost the growth of a number of agro-based processing industries. Full stop. If agricultural marketing is managed scientifically, it stabilizes price levels and plays an important role in economic development and stability of a country. Full stop. Para. The existing system of agricultural marketing in India is in the form of following types of markets: para. A considerable part of total produce of farmer is sold by him to village traders and money lenders at very low prices. Full stop. The money lenders or traders are either independent or may act as an agent of a bigger merchant in the nearby mandi. Full stop. In India, more than 50% of the agricultural produce is sold in the local markets in the absence of organized market systems. Full stop. Para. Weekly hats and sheds are organized once or twice in a week or on special occasions or longer intervals. Full stop. The agents of wholesale merchants operating in different mandis visit these markets. Full stop. These type of markets are poorly equipped, are uncovered and lack storage, drainage and other facilities, full stop. Only small and marginal farmers who have no access to the bigger markets sell their produce in such markets, full stop, para. One single mandi serves a large number of villages, mandis are generally located in cities, full stop. In such mandis, business is carried out by arhatiyas, in bracket commission agents, bracket out, full stop. The farmers sell their produce to these arhatiyas with the help of middlemen, full stop. The middlemen are often involved in malpractices, full stop. The arhatiyas of these mandis sell the produce to the retail merchants, full stop. These mandis are regulated by the Agricultural Produce Marketing Committees, in bracket APMC, bracket out, full stop. Under APMC Act, farmers are required to sell a large number of commodities in these mandis where prices are often manipulated, full stop. These mandis also lack storage, warehousing, etc., full stop, para. A cooperative society collects surplus from its members and sell it at the mandis collectively, full stop. This is the cooperative system of marketing, full stop. It increases the collective bargaining power of the members and they are able to obtain better price of their produce, full stop. In addition to the sale of produce, these societies also serve the farmers in a number of ways, full stop. They also provide finances to the members and incentivizes them to grow better quality crops, full stop, para. Contract farming has emerged as an important mode of procurement of agricultural goods by several agri-business firms which are private, public or cooperatives, full stop. There is an advance agreement of the farmer with the large firms that procure the produce of a predetermined quality at fixed prices, full stop. This type of marketing is quite beneficial to the farmer, but the outreach of this type of farming is very low in India, full stop, para. Farmers in India are not able to get a fair and remunerative price as a consequence of the defects in Indian agriculture marketing system, full stop. Various committees and groups have been set up to bring out the inadequacies in the agricultural marketing systems across India, full stop. The weaknesses of India's agricultural marketing are, para. These are absence of proper warehousing facilities in the villages, full stop. Farmers are compelled to store their products in pits, mud vessels, kacha storehouses, full stop. This leads to a considerable wastage of agricultural products and valuable production gets rotten due to improper storage facilities, full stop, para. The quality of agricultural produce is not graded properly due to lack of standardization, full stop. Better quality produce and poor quality produce are considered as one and sold in a common lot at same prices, full stop. The farmer who was invested more for producing higher quality crops do not get a fair price, full stop, para. Only a small number of villages are connected by railways and pakka roads to the agricultural markets, full stop. Various small farmers carry their produce on slow and old means of transport such as bullocks, full stop. Such means of transport are inadequate to carry production to far off places, full stop. Due to these reasons, the farmers have to dump their produce in nearby markets even if the sale is at very low prices, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है आपका 1000 वर्ड्स RSM SSB के लिए, ठीक है। डिक्टेशन लीजिएगा, बताइएगा कैसा लगा, रिव्यू वगैरह दीजिएगा, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि जो भी एग्ज़ाम के हिसाब से हम डिक्टेशन डालें वो आपको टाइम पे मिलती रहे और आप अपने आप को धार देते रहें, ठीक है। बाकी कोई कन्फ्यूजन हो तो बताइएगा, कमेंट्स के आंसर तो हम दे देते हैं। तो मिलते हैं चलिए अगली डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच।